Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. To share with you a shopping vlog to Marche Ali Mellah in the capital of Algiers. Just as a disclaimer, I'm not affiliated with this market or any of its vendors. Traveled from my city to the capital of Algiers, being dropped off at the bus station Sephora. Market is located in the heart of Algiers center, near the Mustapha Pacha Hospital in the 1st of May public swimming pool. This market is quite a find. It's made up of several sections, including clothes, homewares, fruits and vegetables, meats, seafood, and even a small section that has grains and condiments. It's easily accessible by car, metro, or even the bus. There's a parking structure right next to it where you can park the car. As we approach the market, you can see the white fence here is the public swimming pool, and the colorful building in the back, the public parking structure. While this market does have a lot of nice extra products you can't find anywhere else, it does give you a nice view of how the markets here are in Alger. As you can see, entering into the market, that there's a lot of vendors that are selling women's clothes, children's clothes, shoes, accessories. There are some stalls that are selling bedding and kitchenwares, including the Algerian gato supplies. And there's even a little restaurant where you can make a quick stop to have pizza or mahajab. As you can see here, they're selling a lot of the traditional Algerian dresses, also some more modern varieties. There's the parking structure here. And from here on, you can find the houseware shops that sell the kitchen supplies. You can find a few vendors that are selling all kind of kitchen supplies, everything that you need for cooking and baking, all the silicone molds and tools and things that are used for the Algerian traditional little cakes, gatos. Some of them are imported, some of them are locally made. I find them quite reasonably priced, and the variety is quite extensive, in my opinion. Here we come upon the meats. We can see that they're all different varieties, several things to choose from, all freshly slaughtered. Here we enter into the fish and seafood area, all freshly caught. Some great interesting finds that we saw were fresh salmon, shark, there was lobster, langoustines, mussels, clams, and even a starfish, as you can see right there. There's the salmon. The big fish right there, it's called morel, it's codfish. Salmon over there. Some shrimp, prawns in the back, crevette. Market, like most of Algerian markets, is seasonal. So the items that you find really vary season by season and even day to day. Here you can see that dates are in season, so the market is really blossoming with all different kind of date products, fresh dates to even date molasses and date flour. The fall and winter months, some interesting finds are Chinese cabbage and squashes of all varieties, radishes, romaine lettuce, avocado, guava, choy, persimmons, mushrooms, Christophine squash, and jujubes. As you can see, this vendor here sells a wide variety of nuts and dried fruits and even some condiments. Going a little bit further, this vendor here sells all different kind of grains. You can find whole grains such as rye, whole wheat, and even some gluten-free flours, such as date stone, lentil, and acorn flour, as well as traditional Algerian pastas. There's a dizzying array of products to see and discover here in this market, mashallah. As you can see here, this vendor has different type of mushrooms, kumquats, cherry tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, broccoli in the back, avocados, and even mangoes. Here we can see napa cabbage, bok choy, some Chinese herbs, broccoli, romaine lettuce, different types of mushrooms, stalk celery, leeks, different type of herbs, radishes, broccoli again. If you stall down, you can find some vendors that sell all different kind of condiments and specialty items. Some interesting finds I thought were coconut flour, coconut cream, walnut oil, pistachio nut oil, poppy seeds, chia seeds, pine nuts, pine seeds, coconut cream, Worcestershire sauce, hot sauce as in the American hot sauce, and a whole section of Asian products that had items I've never even heard of, mashallah. Here you can see this stall has a large variety of Asian products from all over Asia, including Asian noodles, dried mushrooms, wasabi, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, curry powder, curry paste, sambal olak, and even sriracha. They also have a large variety of olive oils from Algeria and other countries as well. There's a lot of favorite items, that you can find in other supermarkets as well, like oats, different kind of rices such as risotto rice, different type of peanut butter, local and imported, many different kind of items, mashallah. We ended our shopping day with the quintessential mahajib. Mahajib is the favorite of all Algerians and anyone who's had Algerian food, mashallah. There are many pros and cons of this market, but overall I give it a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this shopping vlog. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.